Hey everybody, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. It's time to go thrifting. It's been quite a while since we did a thrifting trip together, and while I'm knee deep in some projects, I just wanted to take a breather and run around town and see what we can find at the thrift stores. First stop is my local Goodwill. Nothing at that store tickled my fancy, but I do have a couple of things on my list that I'm actually looking for. Of course, I'm always looking for some good furniture deals, but also I am in the middle of redoing my powder bathroom, which you guys will see very soon. It's taking me a lot longer than I anticipated, but I am looking for some decor for that room. So maybe some art pieces or some little small, non-distracting decor pieces that could sit on a shelf or something like that. And then maybe even a soap dispenser if we can manifest that. So let's head to the next thrift store. Haven't seen one of these in a while. I just don't think that this would sell much anymore. And I definitely can't spend $150 on it. But let me know down below, have you guys ever redone one of these? It's like we've got a $60 MCM tall boy here, kind of on the pricier side. This is actually a cute little, I don't know, toy box type thing, but it has drawers instead of like lifting up, but it's still $40. And then we've got this 3-piece set. I wish there were 2 nightstands. I would snag them. Probably not my typical style, and it's very large. Let's see what they want. $20 for the nightstand, $120 for this big one, and $100 for the kind of taller big one. Well, nothing for me in there. I did see that like plant at the beginning when I first walked in, but I think that would be too matchy with the color scheme of the bathroom. I do want to do a plant in there, I believe, but I want it to be the darker green leaves, not the sage light green. Again, too matchy if that gives you any hints for the bathroom makeover. This table is so very pretty. $30. It's not horrible. I don't love these markings. That's manufactured though. Interesting. If anybody knows what type of basket that is, let me know. I was kind of hoping it was just one big basket, but nope. $9.99. $9.99. Oh. Let's get it out, but I think it just needs to be fixed. Definitely grabbing these. Not for me, but nice. Funny story, I donated that. I love this, and I love that it closes. Hidden storage, but cute. The bathroom. I'll snag that. I was able to snag those two nightstands, $9.99 each. Can't believe it. But this Goodwill here has been super reasonable lately, which is interesting. I feel like Goodwills go like this, like it's hit or miss, and then even sometimes the same Goodwills can fluctuate. It really just depends on who's pricing stuff. But then I was really excited about this basket. I had found another darker basket, but it didn't have a lid on it. I love that this one has a lid on it. I want something to store toilet paper in, and this may be too shallow. If it is, then I'll probably store something else in it, like feminine products or I don't know, different stuff that you could store in a basket in a bathroom. So super excited about this stop. That was great. The whole trip is not a full bust. So let's head over to the next one. And on the way, let's talk about the sponsor of today's video, Forio. Lately, I've been knee deep in projects and work and just life. Between furniture flipping, family time, filming content, and everything else, it's been a little bit easy to put myself on the back burner. But one thing that I've been doing a few times a week that really feels like a small reset is using the FAQ 202 by Forio, which is a flexible LED face mask that's lightweight, wireless, and easy to throw on on while I'm working or winding down. I usually pair it with their red light peptide serum to help elevate the outcome, and I've noticed my skin is immediately calmer and looks brighter. The mask uses 8 LED wavelengths, including near infrared, to help with things like dullness, fine lines, and redness. This LED mask has clinically proven results, and it's a tiny act of self-care that easily fits into a pretty full schedule. I've been using it for several months now, and I've shared it with you on the channel a few times, and I just use it a few times a week, and I've been seeing a lot of difference in my skin. It feels smoother, and it looks clearer and feels more awake. I've also seen some other people online using it, and they've had some pretty cool transformations. If you've been wanting to try something new for your skin or treat someone for Valentine's Day, you can click the link down below in the description and use code 30flipping for an additional 30% off of all Foreo products, including the mask and the serum. Thanks so much to Foreo for sponsoring today's video. All right, no luck there. The furniture section was pretty scarce there. Lots of chairs and tall boys, which I'm not really in the market for. So we'll see if the next one has anything good. That Goodwill was packed, so I had to stop filming. I just don't want to like film anybody, you know, in their face and stuff, so I always try to be mindful of that, but it was packed and I didn't find anything either, so that one was no good. I think I'm gonna call it a day for thrifting. I may or may not come back out tomorrow, but if I don't, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. I'm so excited because I get to finally show you the bathroom that I have spent like 2+ weeks working on. So we'll see you next week. Be sure and get subscribed so that you don't miss that video, and I'll see you on the flip side.